This short web tutorial is going to show you how to set up a Google form to allow students to edit their responses. So for example, if you're using a form to collect questions from something in class and students may not have enough time to complete it in class, they would be able to then access that same form at home and it would change their responses on your spreadsheet. From edit mode, in order to do this, you do need to have a district domain account and you need to require the login as well as automatically collect respondents' usernames. At the bottom of the form, there's also a button to check. It says allow responders to edit responses after submitting. That's really important to select. Now, when I go in as a student to complete this, I'll put in Mr. Padway, and I'll put in my period. And the project title is going to be Silly Project. And I'm going to send a link, and I'm just going to send a link to some website, cnn.com. Now, it's really important that I select the send me a copy of my responses. And you'll see why. If I submit this, now I get this screen, and it says edit your responses. I have a great button right here that will take me into my document. However, and you'll see my responses are already filled in. But I'm going to need to save this URL as a student. And I can save it in a document, but I need this URL in order to get back to this unique page. But if I selected that send me a copy of my responses, and I go to my Gmail account, you'll see here I have the demo form, and it says thanks for filling it out. I can click on the link that says edit your responses, and it will take me to that same page. So this eliminates me having to save it if I select that send me copy of my responses. Now if I go back and to view these responses on my form, you'll see the two submissions, one from earlier and the one I just did, Mr. Padway, the Silly Project. But then what will happen is if as a student I go back in and I edit those responses and I go, you know what, I really shouldn't call this Silly Project, this is going to be Hard Work Project. And I go ahead and resubmit, you'll notice then on this instructor sheet, it's changed the name from Silly Project to Hard Work Project. This is a great tool to allow students to continue working on the same form if they don't have enough time to complete it at one time. Good luck everyone and have a great day.